Is JPO. My company is Rosini India Printing Rollers Private Limited. It's an Italian company, close to 100 years old company. We do business worldwide. We supply rubber rollers, rubber sleeves, and any kind of rubber rollers for any kind of application. We understand the application. We suggest the rubber compound accordingly. Yeah, of course. It's a very old company. It's a very old company, and also we are the OEM original supplier for the lot of leading machine manufacturer worldwide historically. Like all leading companies like Bob's, Pelican, Kohli, then Not Mechanica, all leading top companies, they buy worldwide because of the consistency in our product, and it gives lot of value addition. Because they buy our product because of the quality, better life, longer life. And the printing industry is a highly precision industry where the quality is very important. So they have to use the right material, where they should get very good value addition, consistent result over a period of time. That is the reason. In terms of quality, Expo, of course, very nice because Hyderabad is a very happening city, and there are a lot of converters in Hyderabad. So yeah, this is very nice, I think. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah.